Thanks for joining us tonight. Announced today, Rochester is the latest city to have a community vaccination program site.
You may remember 2 other sites launched last week, one in Minneapolis, the other in Duluth. These sites are large-scale permanent locations currently focused on vaccinating those 65 and older. The new Rochester site will vaccinate about 1,500 Minnesotans in its first week. And if you aren't selected in the first week, your name will remain on the list to be scheduled for an appointment at another time.
And this site is just one of a few options for those in Olmsted County to get their COVID-19 vaccine. Fox 47's Uba Ali checked in on the county's overall distribution efforts.
As the vaccination process trudges along, its pace continues to have many concerned.
Any given day, that changes based on who has vaccine and who hasn't had vaccine shipped to them that particular week.
Olmsted County Public Health Planning Section Chief of Preparedness Amy Evans says although there are many sites where one can get vaccinated, the one big problem has become how much vaccine the county actually gets.
We're going to kind of go backwards. We had the large bolus of vaccine last week, and we're going to get a small amount this week. We have not received that vaccine.
The county has received anywhere from 0 to 2,000 vaccine doses depending on the week, which then impacts vaccination sites.
And again, working with our partners, whether it's pharmacies or healthcare entities, that is one of the strategies on how to get vaccine out in a very short amount of time. Providers will still be reaching out to their designated patients. Pharmacies will be possibly reaching out to their designated lists. Public health will be reaching out specifically to employers who are identified within those categories that the state has set forth.
People selected to get their shots at the new large-scale community vaccination site will be contacted by the state. Evans says in Olmsted County this week, there is a small allocation for teachers and childcare providers, as well as second doses going out to those who received their first vaccine through the COVID-19 vaccine pilot program back in January.
We want people to take this vaccine, but the challenge has been we don't have enough vaccine. And so for our community, we need people to be patient.
In Rochester, Uba Ali, Fox 47 News.
Also new today, Governor Walz reallocated 8,000 vaccine doses for Walgreens through the federal retail pharmacy program. The goal is to help vaccinate Minnesotans 65 and older who weren't scheduled this week. Walmart and Thrifty White will be vaccinating more than 16,000 seniors this week through that program.